Hey, I'm Matt the MyGrillie guy, and let's get ready to grillie. Today we are going to be doing the Grillie Philly Grande desserts. We have apple, blueberry. I have some canned apple, blueberry filling, and some canned apple filling. We're going to put them into our dough flats here, and then we're going to roll them, pinch them on the ends, and then we're going to put them on the grill with the Grillie Philly Grande apple and Grillie Philly Grande blueberry. So let's begin. What do you think? Blueberry inside a pizza dough wrap that you just grilled. This has got the apple in there, so these are essentially basically a blueberry pie in the shape of our Grillie Philly Grande and an apple pie in the shape of a Grillie Philly Grande, made in about a total of about 10 minutes. Now that's baking without baking. Use your Grillie. Done in one. Think out of the box and think into the Grillie. So let's get ready and Grillie.